of the workplace or legal cells created by the institution to make complaints in cyber cells which is established to register the cases and to provide expeditious redressal to the victims, generally speaking. Now, this is a very ideal way, but having said that, there is a limitation that in many of the cases, this as far as the cyber cells, they are not available in every so-called police station down the line. Like Lal Bazar, the headquarters of Calcutta Police, they basically have a cyber cell. There are cyber cells in Mumbai and other Bangalore and respected organized places. But having them at every so-called PS generally is something which we have to actually assure in the near future. Now coming to I'm just getting rid of those cases. Now here there is one question I have brought in forensic science in support of cyber crimes, and there is a case Daubert versus Merrill Dow Pharmaceuticals in 1993, but it has been said that any general scientific process in the form of an expert testimony, the criteria that is there to accept it, that includes whether the theory or technique is generally accepted in the scientific community, whether it has been subject to peer review, whether it can be have been tested, and whether the known potential error rate is acceptable. For example, in India, wherever we have basically this ossification test, it is basically mentioned the bone marrow test over there, the X-ray. There is a scope of 2 years, error rate on both sides. The test cannot give an accurate so-called age concern. It is used in kidnapping and other so-called offenses. Now, here's an example how this DNA test actually came in the success story of the world. On November 21st, Linda, a girl of 15 years, was found murdered. Now, the body was discovered one day after killing. She had been raped and strangled with her own scarf. Police employed 100 investigators and interrogated everybody in the locality, but the killer was not discovered. On July 31st, 86, another 15-year-old girl, Dawn, she disappeared. She was again found raped and strangled to death in a nearby field. The nature of the injuries of the person, Linda and Dawn, they were very similar. Police caught a 17-year-old boy who confessed about the crime.